Your financial stress starts with your financial mindset. The way you live is determined by the way you think. A few months ago, I was giving a corporate talk to a client about financial capacity and how to grow it. And also, I was asking questions. One of the participants said, "Sir, can I share my story?" And I asked him, "Sure, what is it?" He said, "Sir, I realized I'm mad at money. That's why I'm not rich." And I asked him why. Because when he was growing up, his parents would fight every time they talked about money. And the reason why his family broke apart was because of money problems. And that's why he said, in his mind, subconsciously, he hated it. And hating it means spending all his money, so he's always zero. And that's why he's still poor, even if he is a manager already. He has no savings and no investments. And I said to him, here's what you do: change your mindset, change your outlook on money, think of it as a tool to help you help others, to help you bless others, to help you live a better life. Money is not the reason why you're happy, but it can help you be a happiness giver to others. And he smiled, and recently he told me that just altering the way he sees money has helped him work better, help him save better, grow his life, and now he's happier than ever because he realized that money is a part of life, and money is a tool, a weapon to make things easier, more comfortable, more pleasurable. And now he's saving up for the future, and in the next few years he wants to invest. And that's what I want for you. I want you to start thinking that money is not the problem. Money is just a tool. Money is just a part of life. But the way why we have financial troubles is because we don't take care of our finances well. It's only by thinking that money is something that can bless you and make your life better, and you welcome it, and that's how we start living better. Friends, my name is Japel Hernandez, and I'm launching a new book called How to Overcome Financial Stress. And on September 27, I'll have a book launch. You'll get a free book when you attend this workshop, 6 to 9 p.m. at Canva office. It's co-hosted by Sketchpad Workshops, and it is presented by Canva and Sun Life Philippines and Jollibee. So if you go there, what will you get? You will get inspiration. You will learn how to manage your finances. You will get to live a better financial lifestyle. You will start thinking like a millionaire, and you can start living financially successful life. So join. It's only 998 pesos. The link is below. Register, and I'll see you then. The best is yet to come. Thank you for watching Overcomer. My name is Japel Hernandez. God bless you.